Okay, YouTube, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on using arrays with four statements. The array we're going to be using is what I call indefinite, meaning, never mind. So we're going to start with an example. This is it. A certain employee's commission from week to week is to be displayed using an array with an indefinite amount of elements. The sum of commission must be displayed along with the average commission. Lastly, the commission must be listed in order. Those totaling above the average are to be noted by the pound symbol after the value. After that, we're going to be doing, we're going to adapt the program to rate the commission as follows. $1,000 to $900 is going to be equal to an A. You minus 20% off of that, which would be 800, and that'll be a B, and a C would be 700, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's get started on that. What program do we have here? Okay, the first thing we're going to do is put an integer in there for your count integer, as some people call it. Okay, int. I'm going to call it X because I always use X. And X. Might as well do the other thing too. Okay, so we're going to call it week. This is the array. We're going to call it week and put a variable in there for the index, or whatever you want to call it. That way it'll always change when we put the for loop in there. So next thing we're going to do, we're also going to need an integer called sum. We're going to need an integer called, average. So let's put that one in there, average. Now we'll start with the for statement. Okay, for x equals 0. You done burnt the pot pies?
10 minutes.
Nah. Put a little ketchup on that, I don't know. Okay. Oh shoot, it's still oh, I don't care. X equals 0.
Man, I burned it to a crisp. Just open up on our own.
X greater than or equal to 0. Okay.
Start throwing the towel off, but that's not your fault.
X plus. I know it ain't my fault. You was making a pot pie, man. It ain't got nothing to do with me. Alright, let's see. X. Okay, there we go. Okay. So yeah, 4x equals, okay. This meaning that it can continue on forever from a domain of 0 to infinity. So, of course you'll have to stop it, but we'll get on to that. Okay, x equals 0. The first thing we wanted to say is cout. This is command prompt. Cout, enter a string, enter a, and I just want to say enter commission. However you spell that, I don't freaking give a care. Okay, enter commission. And then we're going to end the line. From there, we're going to cin, give a value to the very first array, as we have here. Okay? We give a value to the very first array, as we have done here. Then the next thing we're going to do is put a stop in there. If the array, which is week x, is less than 0, then we want to stop the function. So we're going to say break. Okay, and next thing is sum equals sum plus week x. I'll put space. Week. Week x. Okay. Now put that right there. Yeah, sum equals sum plus x. Now what do we do? Oh yeah. Okay, so now we want to see out. So we want to see out the sum. I'm just going to keep this simple. We're going to say see out sum is sum, space, average is ABE. Did I have one for ABE? Yeah, I got one. Okay. Average is average. I'm gonna end the line. Okay. Next thing you want is a second for statement, which is going to be listing all of those. Okay, so we want one that's going to follow the same, because the elements have already been made. So all we want to do now is go through this, naming the same elements or calling the same elements so that we can get the values and list them and do all that. So let's go ahead and do that now. We're going to call the next for statement. We're going to have an integer y. We're also going to need now. So int y. So we say for y equals 0, that's an O, and y less than x, y less than x, y plus plus, okay, put that there, where's it, there it is, no, that's it. Okay, open up the brackets. So now we're going to say if the average, no, if week y is less than the average. No, greater than the average, because that's what we said here. If it's greater than the average, then what do you want to do? We want to denote it, or note it by a pound sign. So we're going to see out. See out, we're going to say week as a string, week z, no, y. Let's make another string, space, week y, put a space in there, 2 spaces, why would I? Alright, 1 space, okay, week y, we're going to call it week y here, so week y. And then we're going to put a pound sign. Where's the pound? There it is. Whoa. Alright, pound sign there. And we're going to end the line. I'm going to copy this to save time. And Control V. Why did you do that? It's Control C. Alright, okay, Control V. For visibility, we're going to do that. Okay, now for everything else, if it's less than or equal to the average, we're just going to print out week without any of this. Okay, and still end the line. And that should be everything for part A. So let's go ahead and run that. What did we do here? Okay, what does it say? What does it say? Expected that thing. And it also says something about this, but I don't see it. Oh, no match for operator. What? See, yeah. Oh, yeah, I can't forget that. Okay, I see that. And let me see, it said it was missing something somewhere else too. Yeah, so we need an extra one of those. I always forget the I put another one of those in there. Let's go ahead and run that. But expected that before. I mean, come on, I already have it. I don't know what do we got? What do we got? I can just put one here, but I want to know where the other one was supposed to be. Let's see. We got 4. Open the brackets here. If statement is closed. We closed them here. before, open the brackets. You got the if statement. This if statement was never closed, and now it is. And we got this one open. That one was closed, and we don't need this. And so let's go ahead. Okay. Now, oh, please don't give me this. What is this? Close the program. Just a second. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this and see what's going on. Pause. Where's the freaking? Here it is. Okay, never did figure out what was wrong with that, but I wound up redoing it. The only thing I added here was, let's see, that's the same. Okay, we added the average. The average is equal to the sum over x. Okay. Then we see out sum, and we see out the average. Okay. Now we're making this next one, which I already explained what it's supposed to do. So let me go ahead and say, I think I did this part, but okay. If the average is, okay, week x is greater than the average, go ahead and see out we want a string there, week y string space week z, no y, why do I always say z, week y, we want the pound thing, right? So let's do that. Okay, and we go ahead and end the line, and L. We're gonna copy this, Control C, yeah, that's it, and we're gonna paste it here. Only changes is this one is supposed to go for less or equal, which is basically everything other than anything excuse me, greater than the average. So we have, okay, week this is the only thing that's going to change here, so we don't want it to denote it. Okay, and we close the brackets like so. This bracket's only closed, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so part A is done. No, it's not. What is this? Expected. If that's there, I could just fix it by putting it here, but if the program is more complicated, you can cause problems. But I'll go ahead and, okay, I'm gonna fix that later. Okay, it's enter the commission. Okay, we'll say 700. We'll just keep it simple. 700, 900, 890, and 600. Okay. -1 to stop it. Your average, the sum is $3,900. The average is 772 hours, week 0. Uh-oh. What did we miss? Week 0. I must have not put a C out for these. Okay. Wait a minute. If it's less than or equal to the average, you are supposed to print out y and then week y. If week 0 is less than or equal to the average, week Y, we're going to go ahead and pause this just for the sake of, I see what the issue is. I have the tendency to put X for all of my variables. This is supposed to be Y here, and let's see if I put it anywhere else. That should fix it. Alright, so let's say 900, 800, 700, 500, 1,000. Ah, shoot, 1,000. Terminate. Okay, 3,900. Your what the piss? Okay, the brackets came back to bite me. I was missing one right here, so I went ahead and did that. So let's go ahead and do one. All right. Okay, we say 900, 600, another 900. Say 800 here. Okay. Terminate. Okay, so 3,200 is that. 800 is your average. This is above 800, so this is above 800, so that's okay. Now we have that. Now the second part of this, we want to rate them from you know what we said before, from A to F. So let's go ahead and put some more if statements in here. So we'll say, wait, let me make sure I don't do that. So we'll say if week y divided by 10. Now let's say 100. Week y divided by 100 is less than, no, it's greater than or equal to, which will accommodate for 900 and up, is greater than or equal to 9. See out A. I'll take the NLs off of here and put them over there because it's going to get in the way with the format. So, okay, take it off of this one, take it off of that one, and we're going to put it after this. So we're going to see out rate A, just so you know what it is. We're going to see out rate A. Okay, see out rate, wait, no, I want a string. Rate, freaking hate tablets, they always have that problem. Rate, let me put it over here. Put a caps lock on there. Rate A. Okay. And then we'll end the line. Okay. Now from here, to save time, I'm going to copy and paste this several times. So copy. Well, I'm not going to copy and paste. I'm just going to paste it several times. So Control V. Control V. What did I do the first time? So that's so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Still want to know what I did here. Why does it look like that? Okay. Just hope I didn't screw anything up. Okay. Oh, none of these, no. What? Mm-hmm. Now, let me pause this. Okay, let's continue with that. Okay, rate A, that stays the same. This one is going to be B when we're finished. So let's put a caps lock on there. B, C, D, and F. Now for B, we want it to be equal to 8. So we say equal 8. For this one, let's go. Oh, what did we do? Oh, wait, no, that's fine. 7. Oh, wait, did I? Wait. Okay. Oh, shoot, that's what we did wrong. Okay, so this one's gonna be 8. 7, 6, and for 5, we have to do less than or equal to 5, which would accommodate for anything less than. All right, anyway. Okay. So, lost my train of thought. Okay. Yeah. So, I think that covers part B. I mean, this is going to give it a rate. So, let's go ahead and run this. Oh, wait. Let's not forget to end this with one of those. So let's go ahead and run that. And okay. Enter the commission. Your first week, you actually made 1,000. You know what? Let me do something first. Just for, okay, pound sign. I want to put a $sign in here. So we're going to put a $sign right here. Another space and a $sign. Another space, $sign. You know, just for format purposes. Alright. Same scenario. First week you actually made 1,000. 800 fell off a little bit. Or 100. Beginner's luck. Back in. 880. 600. 900. 300. I made a mistake. Let's see, did 800 again. And 1,000 for your last week. But you're inconsistent, so they fire you. Okay. And your average, well, your sum, you made $7,380. And let's see, your average is $638. Now you made $1,000, which is a rate of A. 800 B. 400, that's an F. 700 is a C. 880 is still a B. 600 is a D. 900 is an A. 300 is an F. 800 is, I mean, I could have used any type of number, anything in between here would have worked too. I just felt like tapping the zeros in there, but yeah, so you can see how that works. We'll do one more with just not so easy numbers, just so you can confirm that it works that way too. So do a short one. Go ahead and run this one for 567 890 789 4 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 5 7 6 5 987 1,000 and minus 1. Why does it do that? It's supposed to be continuing on. Well, you know what? Let's just do one more. We'll just do 3. Okay. 8, 0. Oh shoot, that's too much. And 200, 100, 7, 8, 9, 888, minus 1. Okay. So as you can see, this is still a B, still an A, D, A, F, F, C, B, and your average is a mid D. And you made $5,340. So there you go. Works. Thank you and good night. Where's the stop thing? Here it is.